All right, you guys, I'm going to go over solving linear equations. Again, we've already hit on this year, but this is so important with Algebra 1. I want to kind of review and go back over it. Basically, anytime you have a variable in an equation like this, like you want it to be by itself, that's the goal. In the end. And so any other terms that does not have that variable, that letter with it, needs to be moved to the other side, and then you want those letters by itself. And so in this first example, this is x minus 4 equals negative 8. This right here, you can look at it two ways. You're going to either add the opposite, so you make it 0, but whatever you do to one side, you do it to the other. Or I've told you guys before that this is the bridge. The equal sign is the bridge. And so when the number crosses over the bridge, the sign flips. Okay? And so this one, because it's negative 4, we know that we're adding 4, so it's 0. And so we add 4 on the other side. Or again, negative 4 crossed over, and now it's positive 4. And then just add up this side. So now x equals negative 4. And that is your answer for that one. This one, a over 6 equals 1, or excuse me, equals 11. When you have fractions, go ahead and make both sides fractions. So even though it's 11, we're going to actually erase that. And we're going to make it 11 over 1, which is the same thing. And in this instance, when you have a fraction equals a fraction, which is like proportions, you're just going to cross multiply and divide. So a times 1 equals 6 times 11. Okay, so we know that a times 1 is a, and then 6 times 11 is 66. So a equals 66 is your answer. All right, this one, the letter and the number are hooked together, and it's multiplication. The only way to undo multiplication is by division. So whatever number is attached, you divide just by the number, so then it's 1. But then you got to do the same thing to that side. So now we have m equals 3. And that is your answer. Okay, and this one is a combination of example 1 and example 3. First, we got to move that term over. So we got 4x equals, and see we subtract 7 to cross it out, but then we have to subtract 7 on that side as well. And so 51 minus 7 is 44, and then we do what we done in example 3. We divide by 4, so now x is by itself, and it is 11. Okay. All right, so I've got 4 example problems here for you. I want you guys to do those 4, and so write down the examples I did, and then do your practice problems, and then send me a picture of it when you guys get done, and then I'll have some other assignments as well that I will post for you guys. If you have any questions, call me, text me, and we'll go over it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.